This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Jamil Batshon. This beautiful 4-bed/3-bath home was newly rebuilt in 2016 and is located at the end of a long private driveway. It features a chef's kitchen West/stainless steel appliances, custom Italian range oven, Corian countertops, and walk-in pantry. Freshly painted with hardwood floors throughout and carpeted bedrooms. It is upgraded with custom blinds and shades for all windows and has Nest control for HVAC system. Private large lot features outdoor brick barbecue area, West/lots of room for entertaining and enjoyment, security gate with new ADT security system, cameras, and lighting. Garage includes custom cabinetry/shelving and epoxy floor. Rain screens are installed on rain gutters. For more information